welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be crimping this hair. This hair is from Unice, whichever you call it. Yeah, it's from Unice, and it is their Brazilian natural wave. I actually have a couple of videos as far as reviews go on this hair on my channel. So yeah, I have all the information listed down below if you guys want to know all about this hair. Okay, so we had a little interruption, but back to what I was saying. I'll have all the links listed down below as far as in this hair goes. Yeah, so like I said, today we are going to be crimping it. It kind of lost its wave. It's still a couple of waves in it, but I had this hair for quite some time now, and I just want to try something different, just bring some life back into it. Also, I just want to try out these crimpers because this is my second purchase. A little backstory: my first pair of crimpers, they actually got broke, so I just got these in, and I just want to try them out and see, you know, if they work really good like the first pair did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate some of the hair, just get right into it. And I'm just going to take like a medium amount of hair. Then I'm going to take this, use one of my clips, and pull it over to this side. So we just have this. And I'm putting you guys a little closer so you can see. I'm going to also take my detangling brush and just brush out the hair. Make sure it's nice and combed out. Okay, so the hair is all combed out. So I'm going to take my bed head crimpers. This is what they look like. Very, very hot. And I'm just going to apply it to the hair. And it actually has a lock on here. If you don't want to like continue to hold it, you can just press the lock while the hair is in it, and then unlock it. And then move the hair down, lock it again. Make sure you still continue to squeeze a little on the hair, on the crimpers, so your crimps can be very defined. As you can see, I didn't put any spritz on it or hairspray. Now you can use spritz, not necessarily spritz, hairspray or got to be glue free spray on your crimps if you would like, but I personally just spray a little afterwards. Then I'm just gonna continue on down and just hold it on there for about 10 seconds. Then we're gonna unclip it and just continue the process. Like, it's that simple. There's also ways on YouTube that you can get this type of crimps in your hair without having a crimper. If you guys watch Alexis hair, she also shows you guys how you can get this wave without a crimper. She actually uses a flat iron. I personally never tried that before, but if you guys want me to try that out on my channel, feel free to just comment down below and be like, girl, all I got is a, is a flat iron. I don't have any crimpers, so can you just do a tutorial? And I'll do like a first impressions of that. So yeah, as you can see, the hair crimps beautifully. And this is what you will get. And then afterwards you can just spray a little hairspray on it just to keep the crimps intact if you want to. I have my Got to Be Glue free spray here, so I'm just gonna spray just a little on it. I don't want my hair to be too hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue this process. I'll probably come back and show you guys once I get to the top, to show you guys how I crimp the top and you know what we're working with. So yeah, just stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back with the last part, so which is the top piece. I'm gonna just comb it out with my rack tail comb. Make sure it's nice and smooth at the top. We're gonna spray a little Got to Be Glue spray. Just a little. Take my comb again and just smooth it out. You have to make sure it's smooth, guys, for each piece. Then I'm gonna take my crimpers and just smooth it out. And then just apply the crimpers to the top. Make sure this piece is out the way. And don't leave it on there too long. Because you don't want the top piece to be out, you know, too hard. So I don't leave it on there too long. And this is what we are left with. So this is what everything is looking like so far. You can take some Garnier Fruity Sleek and Shine. My pump is not working because I'm running out. And I just take like a dime size of that. Rub my hands together. Make sure I get some at the top and just run my fingers through the crimps. So I'm actually gonna scoot you guys back a little. Pull this up so you guys can get a good look. Pull my seat back. And I'm just gonna pull the crimps apart with my hands. And you may get some shedding. You might not. I don't pull them apart too much, but I did get a little shedding. Make sure it's together in the back as well. And I'm gonna just take the top and fluff that up a little. So yeah, this is how I do my crimps. I'm gonna do a little 360 so you guys can see. I'm not sure exactly what the back is looking like. This is the side. So yeah, if you want to add like a little texture to your hair, even if you have like straight hair, you can do this technique. If you don't like your ends to be textured, just take your flat iron and just smooth the ends of the hair out. But this is what we're working with. I'm gonna do a little outro for you guys as far as in my slow-mos, but I do thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please thumbs up for another video from me, your girl Paris Taught You. Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay the day with your crimps, honey. Because Paris taught you. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.